Hello everyone, welcome to Mr. Tech Tuner again. So today we are going to talk about another course of IT Digital IT Security, which is offered by Google. And today's course is the bits and bytes of computer networking. Okay, so this is the week 1 of bits and bytes of computer networking. So we will go through every single quizzes and to the final quiz also. So our first practice quiz, which is on TCP or IP. Okay, so first question of TCP and IP is, which of the following is an example of a network layer or layer 3 protocol? There's the 5 layer of TCP model. Okay, so network layer is here IP or internet protocol. Okay, what's the difference between a client and a server? Okay, a client requests data and a server responds to the request. That's it. Which of the following are the example of layers out of our 5-layer network model? Check all that apply. Application layer, a transport layer, and physical layer. Okay, so there is nothing so-called presentation layer. Okay, so that's it from TCP or IP quizzes. Okay, so we are going to our next quiz, which is basically on networking devices. Okay, so first question of networking devices, which of the following statements accurately describe the difference between a hub and a switch? Okay, a hub causes larger collision domains. A switch remembers which devices are connected on each interface, while a hub doesn't. Okay, so and the third option that will be the correct answer is, a hub is a physical layer device, but a switch is a data link layer device. Okay, so our next question, what does LAN stands for? LAN stands for local area network. What's a router? A device that's knows how to forward data between independent networks. Okay, so that's it. So we are going to our next topic. So which is basically the physical layer. Okay, so we are going to physical layer. The first question of physical layer, what is the type of modulation used by twisted pair cable in computer networks? Okay, so they are known as line coding. Okay, second question, what's the difference between full and half duplex? A full duplex allows communication in 2 directions at the same time. A half duplex means that only one side can communicate at a time. Another example of full duplex is MIMO, multi-input, multi-output. Okay, so we are heading to we already completed physical layer. Okay, so our next question is data link layer. Okay, so no, we will not, we will only watch the feedbacks, right? Okay, so how many octets are there in a MAC address? There are 6 octets in a MAC address, and which are 40-bit numbers actually. What address is used for Ethernet broadcast? They're like FF is to FF is to FF. That's the type of the Ethernet broadcast traffic. Okay, so third question is, what is cyclic redundancy check? Mathematical calculation used to ensure that all data arrived intact. No data is actually missing there. Okay, so we already completed our data link layer also. So we are heading to our final graded question. Before that, we had another assignment. So we need to do it practically. So you see, there's the model of 5 layers of networking model. So I will prepare it on a larger screen so you can see. So all you need is to just drag and drop here according to the serial. Okay, so you know the 5 layers of model. So the first layer is physical layer. Okay, so then there will be data link layer, and then there will be network layer in 3rd position, and then transport layer in 4th position, and application layer in 5th position. Okay, so check answers. Okay, so all are correct. So now we need to drag and drop again the examples of these layers. Okay, so first of all, physical web browser, this is an application layer, and switch, this is a data link layer, router, this is a network layer, client and server, this is a transport layer, and Ethernet cable, this is a physical layer. Okay, so check answers. Okay, so I think we will get our results. Okay. So I think all the results are correct, but due to the slow net connection, this is not responding here. Okay, so we are going to our next question, which is actually we have 16 MCQ questions, so we need to view the feedbacks. Okay, I will tell you the mistakes that I have made, so don't worry. Okay, so the first question of this, a network segment where only one device can communicate at a time is known as collision domain. Okay, and second question, MAC address stands for media access control. And third question, the most common data link layer protocol is TCP. I have marked, but that's not correct. The most common data link layer is actually BGP or UDP. Which one will be your answer? What do you think? I think it will be UDP. So guys, I don't know why they have marked it wrong, but so far I know TCP is the most common data link layer protocol. You can also search on Google, but if you know the correct answer of this question, I will request you guys to please comment the correct answer and what do you think. Do you face the same problem? Okay, so we are going to question number 4. What's an electric pulse on a wire is accidentally detected to another nearby wire? So this is known as crosstalk. TCP stands for Transmission Control Protocol. What is the fifth layer of the TCP or TCP IP model? This is the application layer. Okay, so question number 7. A user has multiple web pages open and is using email. Which layer of transmission control protocol model is responsible for sorting the data? What do you think? What the answer would be? This will be transport layer. Okay, so I made a mistake. I have marked application. Sorry, this will be transport layer. So you guys shouldn't make the mistake. Okay, so question number 8. The Ethernet protocol functions at which layer of the TCP? They work at data link. Okay, so multiple systems try to send data at the same time. The electric pulses sent across the cable interfere with each other. What type of network segment is being used? This is called collision domain, as we already learned it again. Question number 10. You open a web page and log into your email. The traffic travels over many routers. What protocol will be the router uses to determine the most optimal path to forward the traffic? This is called Border Gateway Protocol or BGP. Okay, so what process sends 1 and 0 across the network cables? This is called modulation. Okay, so question number 12. What is the most common plug used for twisted pair network cables? You know, RJ15 or register jack 45. Sorry, I pronounced 15. This will be 45. RJ45 or register jack 45. Okay, question number 13. Which layer abstracts away the need of any other layers to care about what hardware is in use? This is called data link. Question number 14. You need to identify the manufacturer of the network interface. Where will you look into for this information? You should look into media access control or MAC address, and the first 3 octets of this MAC address will tell you about the manufacturer. Question number 15. What type of transmission will have 0 in a special bit in the destination of MAC address? This is called unicast. And last but not the least, what is the start frame delimit or SFD found in Ethernet frame? Okay, so I had answered the wrong. The first byte of the preamble. Sorry, this will not be the answer. This may be the first byte of ether type field, maybe, but I'm not sure. I will request you guys to give me the correct answer in my comment section so that I can edit the answer and include in my video. And so that's all for week 1, and thank you for staying with us. So hope you should like and subscribe for latest updates. So I think you will also complete your week 1 with the help of this video, and thank you.